I keep one out in my back garage, one at my rental house. I've been kind of moving them around as I need them. I just recently bought another set for my main garage. And in this video, I'm just going to kind of talk about them, give you some specs. And I do have a car that I need to do oil change on. It's very low to the ground. So I want to show you like the approach angle, because some of these ramps are really steep. So if you have a low car, let's say like this Chrysler 200, or the extreme would be a Corvette, it's going to hit the ramps before it goes up. These have a small approach angle. What makes it easy, you can do SUVs, lawnmowers, ATVs, even low cars like this Chrysler 200. They're made in USA. They'll hold 12,000 pounds of gross vehicle weight. They give you about a 6.5-inch rise. They're 36 inches long, and they're a little over 11 inches wide. So even if you have a big truck with wide tires, you can get all onto the Rhino ramps. Now if you're going to carry these around like I have been from my back garage to the front garage, they're fairly lightweight, and they do have a lot of carrying pockets on the front and on the sides. So you can just grab a hold of them, carry them wherever you need to. They're very portable. Now one issue with these plastic ramps is they tend to slide around a little bit. Let's say you got a rear wheel drive car, you're pulling it up from the front. These tend to slide across your garage floor. I have added some extra rubber onto my old ones, and I'll do that on these as well. That's going to help you out. So if you're looking for some versatile, lightweight, portable car ramps that will do just about anything, from four-wheelers to lawnmowers, I pull my zero turn up on these, climb underneath, take the blades off, sharpen them, put them back on. It makes some of the simplest tasks out of some hard work. You can use them on cars, trucks, SUVs up to 12,000 pounds. I've had Ford F-250s on these with no issues. These are some of the better ramps I've ever used. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and it was informational and helpful, and thanks for watching.